trunk?
Hey guys,
One black bag, right?
we are finally going to leave because our driver just came. Him just evaluate. Allow me to evaluate. Exactly. Evaluate.
What's talking about, Shani?
Stop videoing me.
I will never stop videoing you.
Try and get the checked in. Hey guys, we are now ready for dinner. We didn't do full makeup because we are basically gonna be late. We're already late, but we're hungry, so we're sacrificing makeup for food.
Go get food, to go get food, to go get food.
And I'm finally wearing my earring that I bought online. Yes guys, as I'm saying, we are getting ready. This is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing a red peplum blouse with a green skirt and some flat shoes. Yeah. Be ready. Uh-huh. Hi guys, we've arrived. We're at the restaurant, the mainland China restaurant. So,
I want a hummingbird. Rum cream, coffee, banana.
guys, awesome actually. Guys, I got my shrimp, I got my noodles. Alright guys, so I'm gonna sign off here. My head is killing me, my eyes are killing me. I'm tired, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna leave you guys here for tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow in tomorrow's vlog. I love you guys. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Today's comment of the day goes to this person right here. Thanks for commenting on my video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.